Question 12. The graph shows the volume of liquid, L measured in litres, in a container at time t seconds. Part A, find the gradient of the graph. Now the gradient is the rate of change of the graph. So we pick 2 points which have whole number values. So that coordinate there is 0, 4. And this coordinate here is 4, 10. I've picked those two because they're exact integers. And then we work out, just change colour, how much the graph has risen divided by how much it has run along. So the formula for the gradient, which is traditionally the letter m, is the change in the y value over the change in the x, sometimes known as rise over run. So the change in the y value, in order to keep my numbers positive, I'm going to use this equation first. So I need to use it first for both the y and the x-axis. So the change in y will be 10 take 4 over a change in x, which is 4 take 0. Getting to this point, pick up your first mark, working it out, so 6 over 4 or 1.5 is your second mark. On to part B. Part B, explain what this gradient represents. The gradient represents the rate of change of the amount of liquid, of the volume of liquid over time. It's really important to have that phrase, the rate of change. Don't put any numbers in. It's not asking you to work it out. You've already done that in part A. This is asking what it means, and the gradient represents the rate of change of the volume of liquid over time. The graph intersects the volume axis at L equals 4. Explain what this intercept represents. Well, when L equals 4, the time is 0. This represents the amount of liquid. I should put volume. This represents the volume of liquid in the container before any was added. And that'll be 1 mark.